So today basically I will start with your lab setup class, okay, where first we will see the end-to-end installation of VMware workstation, how we can install this VMware workstation in our system. Then we will see how we can add different types of NIC on your or virtual NIC cards on your VMware, so we can simulate our inside, outside, DMZ, these kind of environments, management environments, right? And after that, we will install Palo Alto OVA image in VMware workstation. Once I will done with that, I'll just move towards the EVNG installation on your VMware workstation. And once I will done with that, if time permits, I can also show you EVNG installation over Google Cloud Platform. Okay, now, so guys, in your class, what I will show you the installation of Palo Alto firewall here. Okay, but for installing different softwares like Windows Server. So what you can do, you can refer this particular playlist. I have already posted this playlist in your group. So how you can install Microsoft Windows 2016 server, how you can configure this Microsoft 2016 server as a Active Directory, domain controllers, DNS, how you can enable the web services, how you can configure FTP services, and how you can make this Active Directory server as a certified authority. Once you can also, I have also put here how you can install Windows 10 on your VMware workstation, how you can install the Windows 7 on your VMware workstation. I've also put here how you can install Palo Alto as well on your VMware workstation. Then how to install EVNG on VMware workstation. So all this playlist is available, guys, for you. If you want, you can refer this playlist for installing all these softwares. Now, from where you will get all these software? So whoever has shared the email ID with me, I have already shared the two folders with them. They will get the EVNG folder and they have got the Palo Alto softwares folder, right? So if I'll go inside this Palo Alto software, you will get 4 tabs here or 4 folders. Palo Alto images, here you will get all the Palo Alto images. Panorama images, so here you will get all the panorama related images. And I have put here test PC and servers. Here you will get all the test PC and servers. And here I have put VMware workstation software. So here you will get all the VMware related softwares. Now, if I'll go here, so here I have put 2 VMware software, VMware 12 and 15. Guys, my laptop is work very good with VMware 12.0. So I will show you the installation 12.0, but similar installation we have for VMware 15 as well. Both the softwares, they are having software and along with the serial key. So you will get the license file as well. For VMware 15 also, same thing. Software and these are the license key for VMware 15 Pro. Now, if I'll come back here, I have also put here panorama over images. Panorama is starting from 8, 9, and 10. Here you will get the Palo Alto images. I have put here Palo Alto 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if you go inside the test PC and software, so here I have put Global Protect software, guys. When we will do your Global Protect lab, we need these software. So you can download these software from here. Then Palo Alto user ID agent software I have put here. You will get the red blue server as well. These server you can install directly in your DMZ zone in your VMware workstation. It's very easy, guys. Okay. Now you will get the secure CRT as well. So you can see the installation secure CRT. It's very straightforward. Then you will get here Windows 7 ISO image as well. That image you can install in your VMware workstation, and we can use this image as a test PC. Now, for Windows 7, how Windows Server 2016 and Windows 10, you can watch these videos and these softwares. For Windows 10 and 2016, they are available freely from Microsoft. So you can download them from the Microsoft websites. Okay. If you are not able to get it, I will put these links as well in your group so you can download from there. Now, what I will do now, I'll just directly start the installation of VMware workstation in my Windows 10 machine. So I'm having this VMware 12.0. This is the software. Installation is, guys, pretty straightforward. You have to just double click on this one. You just click on yes. So now see, it is preparing the installation. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Guys, you can if you want, you can select that option. If you will select this option, so what it will install the key driver for your USB basically, but I will not select because I need to reboot my system otherwise. Okay, so I will not select that option. Enhance keyboard driver. So I will just click on next. I'll deselect these options because I don't want to check anything. Click on next. Select these both options. So it will create a desktop icon for you. Next, install. Now installation is going on. So we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes here. I hope everyone have joined with your proper names. There's a one guy with the name of as just. Can you just rename yourself, please? Now, what it is asking to license the VMware 12 Pro, right? So what you will get the license key as well here. Copy. Put the license key. Enter. Now your VMware is licensed as well, right? Now, if I'll search here, VMware, I will get VMware Workstation Pro. Just click over there. So it will open. So in your case, see, you can see lots of devices it has fetched already for me, but in your case, maybe it is blank. Everything is blank for you guys. Okay, everything is blank for you. Now, if you want, guys, you can install you can install VMware 15 as well in your system or 16 as well. I don't have any problem with that. Okay, but because my system works pretty much very good with VMware Workstation 12, that's why I'm using this one, right? This is how we will do the installation of VMware Workstation in your laptop. Once you will done with that, now the most important part came, which is you have to go to into edit virtual network editor, and by default you will get here two adapters. Now just remember one thing, maybe some people's they just get here one, maybe VMnet 8 or maybe VMnet 1 or maybe any number here. Don't worry about that. If you at least you should get one, guys. Totally depends on the hardware, how your hardware of your system basically. Okay, now apart from this, if you go here into the search bar and you will type ncpa.cpl, you will get these adapters here. So you will see these are the two VMware adapters I have got on my laptop, and you can see two I'm having here, right? If you will have here one, don't worry on that. Okay, it's all good. Now what, I'll just click on change settings, click on yes here. Now after clicking on change setting, you may see one more adapter, which is VMnet 0, which is bridged already. That adapter you will not able to see because it generally bridged basically with your laptop NIC cards. Okay, now guys, do not put any unnecessary message on chat because it is distracting me regarding the left file, regarding the software files and all, because I have already provided. I'll just check after your session. Okay, now what we have to do, So let's say you have get here only one adapter, VMNet 8 or VMNet 1. What now we have to click on add adapters here. So like that we can add here multiple adapters we will add here. VMNet 3, VMNet 4, VMNet 5 and VMNet 6. So now if you will see, now what you have to do, you have to make sure you have a VMNet 0, you have a VMNet 1, you have a VMNet 8, you have a VMNet 2, and you have a VMNet 3. If you don't have these 4, 5, and 6, don't worry about that. But at least you have these adapters VM0, 1, 2, 3, and 8 basically. If you can add 4, 5, or 6, that is also good. I don't have any problem. Okay. Now, once you will do that thing, what you have to do, you have to click on this VMNet 0. You will see here bridged. Right now it is set as automatic bridging. Now, when you click on this drop down menu, you will get here your system adapters. Now let's suppose you are getting the internet from Wi-Fi adapter. That time you have to call your Wi-Fi adapter here. Let's suppose you are getting internet from NIC card. That time you have to call your NIC card here. So how you can check that? Go here. You will see, because I am getting the internet from this particular adapter. So I can see this is the name, Intel Ethernet connection L219LM, right? This is the name. So I will select that adapter here. If let's say you are getting the internet from this Wi-Fi adapter, if you are using Wi-Fi, right? That time you have to select this name, Intel R dual band wireless adapter. Maybe these adapters names will be different in your environment. Okay. Go here. And now by doing this, we are done with the VMNet 0 setup. And after that, you have to directly jump into VMNet 8 adapter. And what you have to do? You have to click on this net. So VMNet 0 type is bridge, VMNet 8 type is net basically. Just remember. And just subnet type. Always select these two options. Why we are selecting these two options? This option, what it will say? It will automatically configure the DHCP server. So means now your VMware software act as a DHCP server. So whatever machines you will connect on VMNet 8, they will get the IP address automatically from DHCP server. And this option you have to select, which means we are saying we are connecting this adapter, means we are just making this adapter active. Okay. And after that, just click on net settings. So before that, now you come to subnet IP, and here you have to configure the range, which is 192.168.137. 192.168.137.0. Use this particular range, guys. Okay. And I am just requesting, just do the left setup according to I am guiding. Okay. So the thing is, when you are asking any questions for me, I can able to easily connect with your lab setup environment basically. Okay. Once you will done with that, go to into net setting, and you have to change the values here. So gateway IP address is 192.168.137.2. This is the gateway IP address, and we are good with these settings. Now what you have to do, you have to click on OK. Once you're done with that, now directly jump into VMNet 1. VMNet 1 type is host only. You have to select type here, host only. Select both these options, and here you have to put the subnet range or IP range, which is 10.1.1.0 255.255.255.0. VMNet 2, you have to set the IP range here 10.2.2.0. VMNet 3, you have to set the range here, which is 10.3.3.0, and make sure you have a host only, and these three options are selected. Now VMNet 4, just set the IP address here 10.4.4.0. VMnet 5 set the option here which is 10.5.5.0, and VMnet 6 set the option here which is 10.6.6.0, and we are done with these NIC card setup. Now just click on apply. Once you will click on apply, now what it will do, now you will see it will start creating the NIC cards here. You will see 6, 7, now 8, right? Okay, just go back here. Click on OK now. Once you will done with that, now we have just completed one more step. We have completed the VMware NIC card setup as well. Now go here. Now for the troubleshooting purpose, let's suppose your machine which is a part of VMnet 1 that's not working. Now how you will do the basic troubleshooting for it? So what? Always try to rename these NIC cards basically. So just go here into VMnet, Ethernet adapter 9 here, click on details. You will see you will get the IP address on range which is 10.5.5.1, which means this adapter is VMnet 5. So just give the name here VMnet 05. Let me just rename it properly. It's VMnet 5. Okay. Now go here, right click, click on details. You are getting a 10.4.4.1, which means this is your VMnet 4 adapter. Just rename here as well. This is your VMnet 4. Go here, click on details. This is VMnet 3 here because you are getting IP address on 10.3.3. series, right? This is VMnet 3. This must be VMnet 2 because you are getting IP address on 10.2.2.1 range, right? Go here and just rename the settings. This is adapter which is VMnet 2. Now go here. This adapter you are getting IP address 192.168.137.1. What is the name I can put here, guys? Someone put on chat here. This is your VMnet 8, right? Which is the net adapter. Now go here, click on details. This is here you are getting IP address 10.1.1 range. So what is the adapter IP I can put here or name I can put here? This is VMnet 1. Okay. Now we have this VMnet 10 as well. Go here, click on details. 10.6.6.1. This is your VMnet 6. I will put the name here, which is VMnet 6. Now you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, right? Which means I am good with these settings now. Okay, cool. Close it. Now we are done with that setup here. So this is the thing which you have to do with regards to your VMware workstation, guys. We are done with the VMware workstation settings. Okay.